Welcome back to our channel. I am back with a video. In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know how can you check your UOB credit card balance. In order to check your UOB credit card balance, you could follow these steps. First of all, open up a browser or an application and then log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. As you're logged into your account, that will take you to the home page. So from the home page, what you'll need to do is go ahead and click on the credit card for which you want to see the balance. Or you'll be able to see the balance at you've spent field. So you will see your statement balance at your bill this month and tap on transactions. In order to view your recent transaction, you could go with the transaction and then filter it out as well. By doing this, you'll be able to check your UOB credit card balance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.